Hi there. Sackboy here. I have good news for you. Let's make me, Sackboy the alien, just like Joy. Alright, here goes nothing. Hey, why didn't you listen to me about make me just like Joy? Never mind, I think that's enough. These eyelets are bad, and these eyelets are good. That's a bad rigging, like if you don't like it. Huh? This jaw is bad, and this jaw is fixed. Alright, my new CGI me will be searching.
I'm waiting.
There, all done. James, are you ready to meet my new CGI sack thing?
Oh, great!
You heard that, everyone. Maybe you might get a new model.
I got worked! Just try to stop me.
I'm sorry, it's a bad breaking with a zipper, teeth, or tongue. Sorry about that. I will search another one. Okay, how does it work? Oh my, that's no good. Thank goodness I'm not tired enough. I will search another one. Let's try again. There, they all set then? Okay, how does it work? Wait, I almost forgot. Nope. Negative. Oh, come on now. Get it right. Forget about it. There's no eyelashes for CGI Cartoon me. Sack. These eyelashes are for girl models, when everyone's modeling. Okay then, let's see what happens. Well, it's good enough, isn't it? How about the rigging? That wasn't so bad, isn't it? Look, I feel better now. This CGI cartoon sack thing doesn't have teeth, tongue, or eyelashes. Also, jaw, and lip top and bottom. It also have eyelashes for animals, or anybody else. Okay, it's done. This is Sackboy the Alien, signing off.